This tutorial will show how to create multicolored parts using Orca Slicer. You can paint colors onto a model, assign different filaments to specific parts, and prepare everything for a successful multicolored print. For the most accurate method of coloring specific sections of a model, we'll use the Cut tool to divide the model into separate parts. Select the Cut function, then set the height at which you want the model to be split. Make sure Cut to Parts is enabled. This option separates the model into individual objects rather than creating separate assemblies, allowing each section to be assigned its own filament color independently. Next, open the Objects tab in the Process Settings. As you can see, the model has now been divided into two separate parts. Select each part individually and assign it a different filament color. This allows Orca Slicer to treat each section as its own colored object when generating the print. The second method for adding color is to use the Paint tool, located in the top toolbar. This allows you to apply colors directly to specific areas of your model without splitting it into separate parts. The most commonly used option is Fill, which lets you quickly color entire faces or connected surfaces with a single click. You'll also find tools such as Circle and Triangle, which can be used to paint smaller or more complex areas manually, although these are typically not used often. Another useful feature is the Height Range option. This allows you to select and print all surfaces within a specific layer height range, making it ideally for adding colored bands, text, or details at a particular section of the model. Simply select your desired color, choose the appropriate painting tool, and click on the areas you want to color. When doing multicolor prints, it's also important to enable the Prime Tower. This can be located under Multi-Material in the Process Settings. The Prime Tower acts as a purge and stabilization structure, where the printer flushes filament during color changes. This helps ensure clean transitions between colors and prevents contamination or mixing of filaments on the actual model. Without it, you may see color bleeding, inconsistent extrusion, or weak first layers after a color switch. You are now ready to perform multicolor printing.